guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna take a look at light intensity and after that intermediate intensity, because I always do advanced. That's my rhythm. I really like it. I can handle it, so that's why I do it. But for the persons that want to get into it and don't know if it is for them, might seem a little bit overwhelming. So let's see, what does light intensity have to offer? So let's do a total punishment 4 right here. We're gonna do a warm up and yeah, let's see, have fun.
Here's a great tip about holding your stance, whether it's front stance or your combat stance. Stay with your knees slightly bent, focus on the target, and just feel that weight distribution moving from front to back, and everything will feel absolutely amazing.
You've taken one step, now take another. Hands up, let's go.
I think the freedom comes from the power in the punches and a lot of love in the legs. Left combat stance, we're going to start. One jab and cross, uppercut left, uppercut right. Great. Left side, right side. We're not going to be moving with too much speed here. We're going to be focused on control. So we want great alignment and range in the jabs and crosses. On the uppercuts, because they're short range strikes, bring the elbows close to the rib cage and then rotate the shoulders inwards and then upwards. Now get ready, a little slip to your right. Oh, one jab, one cross, one upper, one slip. Tuck the chin in and just move your upper body out the way. Keep your feet where they are. Great. Little speed now. Slipping, now hooking, squatting, stand up and hook with the back arm. Let's do that again. Left, right and left. Slip right and left. Left hook, get out the way and hook on the right. Base level combo. If you're doing this right now, you've pretty much mastered everything you need to know about this track, apart from the squat challenge that's coming up pretty soon. Alrighty, so let's come into a nice wide front stance. We're going to sit down in the squat for a long time. Let's go. Left jab, right jab, stay down in the squat. Now drop down both hands out to the side and drop down and out to the side. One left, one right. Keep your chest lifted. And every time you strike, do your very best to not let the knees buckle. So I like to push my knees out towards my little toes. You've got that rhythm going on now. That's it. Quick, 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 quick. Awesome. Ha! I know the legs are starting to bite. It's starting to burn. Come on, brace your abs. Keep the chest lifted. Now stand up. Put your left leg forward quickly. Jab, cross, up, up. Slip right and left. Woo! Hook left, squat down, stand up, hip right. What was that? I'm still sweating and I've got jelly legs from that long squat. So use this time now just to re-energize, because you know you're going to have to do it all on the other side. I love this exercise. Feels really great. 1, 2, 1 and 2. We're creating a little bit of flow, heart rate before we transition. Come on, let's get the heart rate up now. Change side.
Spoiler alert, the good stuff happens in the back half. Let's go. Right foot forward. We're going to power these jabs and these uppercuts. Where do you put your shoulders? You put them behind every punch, and the way you do that is by transferring the weight from the front leg and the back leg, rolling in and out. Roll the big knuckle over and then slip out the way. Slip into the left. Dropping the right shoulder forward, crunching through the core, transferring the weight. Practice over, people. Let's add some speed and get smooth with that combo. 1, 2, 3. Slip, slip. Now hook and duck. Left arm. Well done. If it feels like you're dancing with these punches, then you're getting it right. A little tip with the slip is keep your eyes up and your chin in. The reason you do that is so that you don't get knocked out by your next attack. Last one. Okay, let's go front stands. What's coming next? What's coming? Ooh, goody, a wall, a really long one. Get down. Let's throw some jabs. So your knees are out, your chest is up, you're taking a big breath. T-punch, bell rope. And again, this is us, peeps. I know there's going to be some heat building in the lower body, but we're not here forever. It just feels like it. If it feels tough, then let's get tough. Let's get through this. You can do anything. It's even in the song lyrics. There's freedom at the end of this wall. Get up, people. Right leg forward. 3 punches. Dance the shoulders. Slip, slip. Hook and duck. How good does it feel to come out of your legs? So good. So good. Well done. We're almost to the end. On that last uppercut, see if you can use your legs and drive out of the floor. Like really come up and launch it. Hey, hey. Nice, nice. There's freedom at the end of this with a big blue target. Time.
It's really not as fast as the really intense versions.
Boxing is going to be our predominant discipline. We're going to start with our left leg forward, and I'm going to support you all the way through. So we've got a left jab and a right cross. Full range, soft elbows, no power, but it does set you up for a jab, cross, jab. Let's go. Left, right, left. Now uppercut, one left, one right on the rhythm. Turn, in and up. Short range, vertical strikes, elbows into the rib cage. Full body training. Oh yeah. Now we're moving on. Hook left and right. Slip right and left. Hook left and right, but this time you've got to squat down. Get out of the way. Stand up, sky punch. Back to the slip so your feet stay still. You only move your shoulders. Drop your butt back and down on the squat. Now, as you hit the sky punch, try and get the hands directly above the line of the head, and you can actually do that quite fast. That's it. Play with it. Take your time. And now, jab and cross. We're here for about 25 seconds or so. Tuck your chin. Let's start now hitting the center of the target. We want to get the heart rate up. Work out in the shoulders, the muscles of the back, the muscles of the core. So let's get a little bit of power now. New move. This is the knee. I love this move. We need to grab with both hands now. Pull left knee up. So you're bringing the arms down past the line of the thigh as the knee goes directly up. It's a little bit like the elbows and the knee almost meet. Now you can pull the arms down fairly quickly. Ready? Go. Down fast as the knee comes up. Lean away from the strike. We're going to do all that again on the other side. All right? Shake it off. You've got this. Jab and cross. Right and left. Go. Cruise. Cruise. Now rotate the knuckles in and down so the elbow slightly goes to the outside. That's going to work more muscles in the upper part of the shoulder and in turn bring more power. Jab, cross, jab and hold followed by the 2 uppercuts. Turn under. Now let's start using hips and legs for the uppercut. So bend the knees and then as the tiger comes in and up, start to stand up a little higher. All right, now those power hooks, right and left, slip left and right. Back to the power hook and then squat down, stand up with the sky punch. On your own. Feels good, right? You can almost see yourself a little bit in the shadow wall. Don't forget to smile. I think anytime you smile, or is it a grimace, makes things feel a little bit better, right? Excellent work. All right, jab and crosses now. So because it's a basic move, very simple, all we want to do is now commit to try and get the heart rate up. So tuck your chin, start to hit the center of the target. Come on, challenge yourself. Challenge yourself, hit it harder. You've got it, come on, hit it harder. Awesome. Breathe. Here comes the right knee. Put more weight on your back foot to help you balance. Lift the chest, pull the arms down. Now brace your abs really hard because you're going to lean away a little bit. That's going to support the spine. So the knee comes directly forward of your hip. That's going to give you great alignment. Awesome work. Now, last part, wide front stance. Here it comes. Here it comes. Punch it. Hooks. Now, battle rope slams together. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hook left and right. The battle rope slams, they must start high above the line of the shoulder, and then both hands come down past the outer part of your thighs. So you're bending your knees, you're bracing your abs, and it's like you're trying to slam or throw something down to the ground. Come on, you got this one. You finish with a power left hook. Great work.
Yeah. Not too shabby.
Time for you to bring your best self. Bring your power, bring your focus, bring your concentration. Start in a left combat stance. Squat, get out the way. Now, stay down, chest up, brace your abs, stay. Quickly stand up, left jab, hit it. Now squat down. In a moment, you're going to see the green target. Stand up, now, and cross. Great, now left to the head, left to the body. Now left hook. Same thing on the right side. So you've got a right cross to the body, and then a right hook to the head. So that's your level changes. We go up, straight punch down, and hook. So naturally you want to do a hammer fist. Stay with a straight arm jab to the body. Beautiful, because that's going to come at you even faster now, right? Up, down, and turn your body. Go. When I say turn your body, I mean release the hip and heel on the hook. Now you've got it. We're going to focus on mainly the head and the body. Go up, down, change. Up and down, change. So now let's work on range. So full extension, keep your hands up, keep the elbows soft, and let's get some speed training. Heavy hook left to the right. Ta-ta-ta on the what? On the beat. On the ta-ta-ta. Go! Bring your best self. Tuck your chin. Elbows up. Uppercut. 3, 2, and 1. Freeze. Hit again. 3, 2, and 1. Freeze. Hit it again. Elbows close to your ribs. Rotate and roll the body forward. You're going to do the same thing, but you just add on a slip to your left. Go. Awesome. You don't move your stance. Stay with your feet still, but just tip your body to the left. Hello, obliques. One more time. Rachel, you're up.
All right, catch that vibe, but let's put the right foot forward this time. Yeah, combat stance. Right leg. Knees soft. We're going to get down into the leg. Squat. Stay. Go. Chest up. Knees out. Breathe in, breathe out. Stand up and jab. Boom. Sit down. It's going to be a cross this time. Big cross. All right, head, body. Hook time. Hey. So we're back to a little bit of power. Throw the cross. Throw the body. And now the big hook. How's that feel? There's a bit of space there. You got time to load the lower body and turn it into the punch. So release the heel, turn the hip now. Now let's add a bit of pace to those combos. 1, 2, 3. Is that beast mode? Hey, look, if you feel like you're in beast mode, you're in beast mode right now. All right, go, go, go. Just the head and body. Catch that combo. Stay on it. Drill it. Lift the elbow. Use the legs up and down. Use those levels. Big hook. Coming in. Right, left. Ay! Double shots. So think about rotating the lower body to turn the hips into the punches. Here come the uppercuts. 3 uppercuts. Right, left, right. So think about rolling your shoulders like a figure of 8. It's almost like, like you itch in between the shoulder blades. Now we're going to add a slip to the right. Drop the shoulders. Ay! Ground your feet, bend your knees, and then move your upper body out of the way. So you're dodging those punches. One more uppercut. Go. That felt good. Catch that vibe. Let's go front stance. We've got one more bit to do. You can do this. Battle rope slam. Double hand. Right jab. Now this time, left jab. Bend your knees. So use your legs to get low and then drive out of the ground, squeezing your glutes to hit those jabs. They ain't shaky. They're ready to go. Let's add some pace. Pow. When they say punch from the hip, they mean use your lower body to drive the power out of the ground. Let's add some pace. Non-stop, go! Feels good to slam it down, doesn't it? That's it. Use the outside of the fist, the little fingers. Bend your knees, lift your chest. Double punch, and again, from the chest. Singles. Now look for the double hammers. That was good. Singles. And a big finish in blue target. Hit it. Go. Hey. You've been working on your technique, and that's what's getting you up there to 90%. Keep at it.
175 kilocalories on total punishment 4 light workout. I'm gonna see if I can find total punishment 4 on the intermediate. So, and we'll do that one for you next time, so we can compare the workout. For now, please like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.